perimeter of number 1 triangle ABE, number 2 the rectangle BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater?
Now, who will tell me what we have to do in this? कैसे कोई मने?
Yes, sir. Sir, triangle
Yeah, tell
perimeter
me.
is the yes. First, we have to find the perimeter. Then, then convert in the answer converted into like fraction and then minus. Then we get it.
Very good. Now, what we have to do in this? See, already the sum is written here. You want me to do this sum on board?
No, sir. In here.
Sorry? Chalo. Our main question is find the perimeter. Kaya perimeter find करवाना चाहिए? Triangle ABE. Can you see a triangle here? ABE. ABE triangle આવે છે? Boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the rectangle BCDE. Can you see BCDE is a rectangle here? समझाई છે કે नहीं? Boys, are you getting the question?
Yes.
We have to find the perimeter of both of it, triangle as well as rectangle. Okay? Now, whose perimeter is greater? કયું perimeter greater છે? Triangle નું કે rectangle નું? That is what we have to show them. Okay? So, what we have to do in this? Perimeter of a triangle ની formula શું છે? Side plus side plus side. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
યાદ આવે છે કે ભૂલી ગયા તમે લોકો? Okay. So triangle, all three sides are given. Joe. One side is here, second side is here, third side is here. Can you see all three sides are given for triangle? So perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to AB plus BE plus EA. By adding all these three, you will be getting like this: 5/2 centimeter plus 2 integer 3/4 centimeter, which is this one, plus 3 integer 3/5 centimeter, which is this one. Am I correct, everyone? Now, what is our first job? To convert this to mixed fraction into simple fraction form. So 5/2 was as it is. This mixed fraction, how to convert? Denominator will be multiplied with integer added to numerator upon 4 as it is. And this one, denominator will be multiplied with integer upon, plus 3/5 as it is. Am I correct? So you will get 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11/4. So 11/4 આવી ગયો અહીંયા, second fraction. Then 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18/5. You got 18/5, the third fraction. Any doubt here, boys? Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
Very good. Chalo. Now what we have to do here? We have to add the sides, but we cannot add, we cannot subtract, or we cannot compare until and unless we have a like fraction, right? So for getting like fractions, we have to have a denominator same. Here all three denominators are different, 2, 4 and 5. Am I correct? So we have to take LCM. So LCM we will get as 10. What LCM we will get? 10. समझाई छे? Sorry, LCM we will get 20. Yeah? I'm so sorry, not 10. Jo. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. 5 will be as it is. Again, 2 will be there. 1 1 5 as it is. So last we got as 5. So what is the LCM we got? 1, 1, 1. LCM what we got is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So LCM total what we got? 20. સમજાય છે boys? So ત્રણેયના ડિનોમિનેટરને શું કરવાનું છે? 20 સુધી લઈ જવાના છે. શું કરવાનું છે? 5/2 is equal to, we have to convert this into 20 here. Then 11/4, this has to be converted up to 20 here. Okay. Then last fraction was 18/5. So which has to be converted to 20 as a denominator. So this will be multiplied by 4. So numerator also will be multiplied by 4. This will be multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. So numerator also will be multiplied by 5. Am I correct or wrong? This has to be multiplied by 10. So numerator also has to be multiplied by, multiplied by 10. Okay. So 5 10s are 50/20. 11 into 5, 55/20. And third one will be 72/50. 72/20. Now, do we got all three denominators same as a like fraction? This is the step what I did vertically. Now, horizontal form માં લખેલું છે. I did it vertically. Okay. So I got all three like fractions here. Boys, નાનો જવાબ આપો ને કરું બંધ કરું છું અત્યારે લેક્ચર. Nonsense. શાંતિથી બેઠા તો. Are you all getting the steps what I did?
Yes. Yes.
So 50 plus 55 plus 72, 20 as a common denominator, we got 177/20. 20 marks ની exam માંથી કોઈ દિવસ 177 marks આવે ન આવે. So we have to convert that into mixed fraction. So mixed fraction will be 8 integers 17/20 centimeter. That is the perimeter of a triangle. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is that all clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth. What is given here? Okay. So perimeter of rectangle is what?
7/4.
That is given 7/6 centimeter here. It is given, and we found this length. Length two opposite side. Length will be equal. Breadth will be equal to opposite side. So if 7/6 is here, 7/6 will be here also. If 2 integer 3/4 is here, 2 integer 3/4 will be here also.
Yes.
So what we have to do, 2/3, 2 integer 3/4 nu fraction form બનાવવાનું, which is already done. 11/4. So we will directly take as perimeter of rectangle 2 into 11/4 plus 7/6. Now again LCM, we cannot add this. We have to solve this bracket first, but we cannot add this. Why? Because both the fractions are unlike. We have to convert them into like fractions. So for converting them into like fractions, we will take again LCM. So after getting LCM, we get LCM as 12. So 4 into 12, 11 into 3, 6 into 2, 7 into 2. So 33 plus 14, 12 as common. Okay. So 2 into 47/12. 47 ક્યાંથી આવ્યું? 33 plus 14. Got it? Now 12, 2 6s are 2 1s are. So you got 47/6. 6 marks ની ટેસ્ટ માંથી 47 marks આવે કોઈ દિવસ? આવે?
No, sir.
So you have to convert that into mixed fraction. So your answer is 7 integer 5/6 as your answer. That is the perimeter for rectangle. Now what is the exact perimeter you got for both of it, which was improper fraction? What total fractions you got? That is, first one you got is 177 upon 20, and second perimeter of rectangle you got 47 upon 6. Am I correct or wrong? You got this one, and you got for triangle as 177 upon 20 as the first fraction. Am I right? Am I right, boys?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now for comparing both of them, we have to have like fractions. અહીંયા પણ like fractions નથી. So once we get LCM we will get 60, 20 and 6 નું LCM શું આવશે આપણે? If we do
60.
LCM right here, 2 tens are, 2 threes are, 3 ones are, 10 as it is, again 2 fives are, 1 as it is, 5 ones are. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 2, 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 fives are 60. 60 is our LCM. Are you getting? So 177 upon 20 and 47, 43 no, the 47 upon 6 has to reach up to 60. So both has to be multiplied like this. So you got like fraction 531 upon 60. I'm sorry. 531 upon 60 and 430 upon 60. Boys, are you getting the content what I'm trying to teach?
Yes.
So now, which one is greater? Which one is greater? 531 upon 60 is greater or 430 upon 60? When denominators are same, the numerator will be recognized. The number which has a greater number will be the greatest fraction. So 531 is greater than 470. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
So 177 upon 20 is greater than 47 upon 6. Therefore, perimeter of 177 upon 20 કોનું perimeter છે? Perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Any doubt with this question?
No, sir.
Chalo, moving to the next question, question number 6. Please read this question. Who will read? Who will read this question? Please, Zohar Abbas.
Question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 upon 5 centimeter wide. Feed the frame. The picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be framed?
So Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Picture was bigger than the frame. So we have to trim the picture according to that, right? So according to it, we have to subtract the picture.
Yes, to subtract.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Or no, boys?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Let me solve this on board. So fatafat se chalo. Are you getting my board to your screen? Please ping to another Mohammed Teen Wala's ID. Is my board clear to everyone?
Sir, so blur.
Wait, it's going through. It's going through. Now, is it clear?
So now so. Sir, clear, sir, clear, clear.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now, question is what? Wide of the picture. The width is what? 7 integer 3 upon 5 centimeter.
Yes, the picture is 7 integer 3 upon 10.
Width is what? I forgot. 7 integer 3 upon 5 centimeter. And required width is what? How much to be framed? 7
Minus.
integer 3 upon 10 centimeter. Am I correct?
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So picture એની જે પોળાશ આવે જે broadness આવે that was 7 integer 3 upon 5 and what is required throughout this what we have to get it is this much to be framed. So we have to convert this first into mixed fraction, simple fraction. So 5 will be multiplied with 7 plus 3 upon 5. So 5 sevens are 35 plus 3 is 38 upon 5 centimeter. That is the first content what you got. Am I correct? This one. 10 multiplied by 7 plus 3 upon 10 is equal to 7. 10 sevens are 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10 centimeter. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, our main step is now the picture to be trimmed. Picture to be trimmed, right? To fit in the frame. What we have to do for that? We have to subtract 38 upon 5 centimeter minus 73 upon 10 centimeter. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
We can take this centimeter as a common outside. So, એટલા centimeter નું picture આપણે trim કરવાનું છે. Now, can we subtract this with each other? Can we do this? Boys?
Yes.
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir,
Why
like,
no? Why no? बच्चा पार्टी?
like fraction is
શું કામ
not
નહીં
that.
બેટા? It's not a like fraction, right? So we have to convert that into like fraction. So I'm doing this rough column right here. 5 and 10, taking LCM. 2, 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10. 5, 1, 1. LCM is what? 2 into 5. LCM we got as 10. Yes or no? So now 38 upon 5, 5 to be reached to 10 will be multiplied with 2. So this 38 will be multiplied by 2. So you will get 76 upon 10 for the first fraction. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir,
Then the
correct.
second one is what? 73 upon 10. 10 to be reached up to 10. So will be multiplied by 1. Will be multiplied by 1. So do we got a like fraction here? Now we have like fractions. Now can we subtract this?
Yes, sir.
76 minus 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10.
Yes, sir.
So what we
85.
will get? 10 as common. 10 as common, 76 minus 73. So 3 upon 10 centimeter to be trimmed. Any doubt, boys? In the end, you have to write the conclusion. Therefore, the picture, the photograph has to be trimmed by 3 upon 10 centimeter. Is that clear, Bacha Party? Please write down the answer if you want or take a screenshot of your screen. Answer no screenshot લેવો હોય તો લઈ લેજો. Have you got it? Boys?
Yes.
Shall we start with the new question? Okay, chalo, new question. Question number 7. Oh, sorry, in the same, it was same question on the same page. चल जल्दी रीड करता हूँ जकी बेटा रीड करो तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7.
Okay, sir. Okay. Ritu ate
Yes.
3.5 part of an apple. The remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger part? Share by how much? So can I tell how
हाँ
to
बोल
do
ना
it?
दिकरा.
Sir, if
Yes,
we
बोल.
eat 3/5, so the total is 5/5. So we are
Yes,
we have to find out of Somu. So we have to subtract 5/5 minus 3/5. So we will get of Somu.
very good. Do you feel that this has to be done on board? See, if you come
Yes.
again on the screen itself, it shows that 3/5 was been had by Ritu. So total part was 5. Out of 5 part, 3 part of apple was been eaten by Ritu. So remaining part was eaten by her brother. So remaining part, total 5 was the remaining part કેટલો હોય? 2/5. Are you getting? How much part of the apple Somu ate? So Somu ate 2/5 part. Who had the larger share? So common આપણે 5 LCM હોય. So 3 is greater. By how much? By
Yes.
1/5. Let's do this sum. See, part of an apple eaten by Ritu is 3/5 here. It is written. Can you see? 3/5. Part of an apple eaten by Somu was 1 minus part of the apple eaten by Ritu. That is 1 minus 3/5, which gives us કેવી રીતે 1 minus 3/5 કેવી રીતે sir 2/5? It will be 1/1 minus 3/5. Am I correct or wrong? સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? See, sum માં કાંઈ નથી. That's why I'm not doing this on board. Let me clear you 1. 1 આમનામ છે તો 1 ની નીચે denominator માં 1 હશે. 1 will be having denominator as 1 minus 3/5 here. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes.
બીજા બધા શું કરે છે? સૂતા છે ક્લાસમાં?
No, sir.
So now this first part, 1 is total, so 5/5 will be the fraction what we got for the first one, minus 3/5. So you will be getting 2/5 as a part of an apple. Since 3 is greater, Ritu has the larger share. Okay? So this will be your homework. You have to do by your own. Question number 8. चले Zaki, read करता भी दिख रहा.
Yes. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer?
What we have to do here?
Minus, subtract.
Again, subtraction. Chalo, come here. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. So time taken by Michael. All of you ping the whiteboard, please. Time taken by the Michael. Is equal to 7/12 hours. Yes or no?
Yes.
And time taken by Vaibhav to color I forgot to color the picture. Huh? You write it by your own the statement, which was 3 upon 4 hours. Now we have to compare who took longer time. So we cannot compare, we cannot add, we cannot subtract until we have the like fractions. So what are the fractions we have? 7 upon 12 and 3 upon 4. So both the denominators are different. So again, we have to take LCM. Yes or no? 2 3
Yes.
4, 2 6 12, 2, 1, 3. The 3 will be as it is. So LCM 2 into 2 into 3, which gives us 12 as our LCM. Now, 7 upon 12 has to reach up to 12 here. So will be multiplied by 1. So 7 upon 12 as it is. Second fraction, 3 upon 4 has to reach up to 12. So 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So now we got like fraction here. Yes or no?
Yes.
We got like fractions. So can we compare this? Which one is greater now? 7 upon 12.
Yes.
So 7 upon 12 is smaller than 9 upon 12.
Yes.
Because 12 common LCM, 9 is greater. So 9 upon 12 is greater. Yes or no? If you cut here 4, 3 3s are. So 7 upon 12 is smaller than 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is for whom? For Vaibhav. Therefore, in conclusion, you have to write, therefore, Vaibhav took longer time to complete his coloring work. Therefore, Vaibhav took longer time to complete his coloring work. Any doubt with question number 8? Boys? Have you got the answer to your screen?
Yes,
Please
sir.
have a photograph if you want. Please have a picture. Got it? Chalo. Moving to the next exercise. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. Very easy questions. Can be solved here itself. Which of the drawing A to D shows 2 into 1 upon 5? Come on boys, it's very easy. Chalo. Boys, it is very easy.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Which of the drawing A to D shows? What sir નથી કરવાનું અહીંયા કારણો બોલું છું ગળું પાડીને. આ ડાયાગ્રામ દેખાય છે, ડાયાગ્રામના ઉપર ફ્રેક્શન્સ કેવી રીતે આપેલા છે, that is what we have to show.
Yes.
1/5,
Number 1 D.
1/5 two
Number 1
diagram,
D.
that is
Number
D,
1 D.
yes. Number 1 is D, very good. Then 2
Number 2
multiplied
is
by 1
D.
upon 2. Number B, that is 2. Then 3 into 2 upon 3.
Number A.
Number A, very good. And 3 into 1 upon 4.
Or C.
Very good. હવે બધા છોકરા જે સૂતા છે ને જે એ બધાને કહી દઉં, this are the diagram. 1/5 means આના 5 ભાગ છે એક ડાયાગ્રામમાં, એમાં 1 colored છે. Got it? So 1/5 વાળા કેટલા ડાયાગ્રામ છે? 2. તો એ ક્યાં છે? તો કે 1 અને 2. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર D માં. Then 2 diagrams of half. Half એટલે શું? 1/2, 1/2, right? So એવા કેવા ડાયાગ્રામ છે? તો કે સમ નંબર B માં. 3 diagrams of 2/3. 2/3, 2/3 क्या है? 3 diagrams from number A ma. Then 3 diagrams of 1/4. 1/4. एक color part 4 भाग. That means 1/4. How many diagrams do we have? 3. So 3 into 1/4 here. Is that clear?
Yes.
Chalo. Question number 2. Same thing to be done by your own. I'm not going to do this. Same thing, 3 into 1 upon 5, which gives us 3 upon 5. You already know this. This is sum number 1. You know this, you have to do by your own. Question number 2. Question number 3. Chalo. Multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. શું કરવાનું છે? We have to multiply this to the lowest form and convert that into mixed fraction. Come to our board right now. All of you look here, first sum. See, I'm going to do only one sum out of this all, one or two sums. Rest of the sums will have to be done by your own. Huh? I'm not going to do every time all the sums. Make sure of it, boys. So I'm going to do the first sum, then you select out of 8 sums, which one is the tougher one for you, so that I can solve that. First sum, Zaki, please repeat the first sum. 7 multiplied by
7 multiplied by 3 upon 5.
Very good. So we have to multiply this and we have to go to the lowest term. Lowest term એટલે નાનામાં નાનો fraction. અગર ન બનતો હોય, then convert that into mixed fraction. So 7 is alone. So 7 multiplied by 7 upon 1 will be automatic there. Now multiplication is there. You check out cross cutting કે ઉપર નીચે cut થાય છે. If it is not happening, 7 3s are 21, 5 1s are 5. Now 5 marks ની ટેસ્ટ માંથી 21 marks આવે કોઈ દિવસ? આવે? possible છે?
No, sir.
No. So what we have to do here? What we have to do here? We can keep this as our answer.
No, sir.
Can we keep?
No.
So what we have to do? Convert that into mixed fraction, idiots. 5 4s are 20. 1 will be remainder. So 4 integer 1 upon 5 as our answer. So first sum, 4 integer 1 upon 5 as our answer. ચલો આમાંથી કયો સમ બીજો ડાઉટ વાળો લાગે તમને ટફ લાગતો એવો? Please tell me fast.
Sir, in this, if it convert into reduced form, so we don't have to convert into mixed now.
No. It's nothing like that. ઉપર નીચે પણ કટ થતું હોય અને improper fraction મળતું હોય, then our responsibility is to convert that into mixed fraction.
Okay, sir.
If we are getting a proper fraction, then no need to change anything. Okay? ચલો એકે બધા થશે ને જાતે?
Yes.
Boys, will you be able to do this? Question number 3.
Yes, sir, we will.
Okay, chalo. So we have completed up till exercise 2.2, question number 3 in the class. Your homework is to complete all the sums one time in your rough book, and you have to complete your fair book. Is that clear, boys? Is that all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Do take care of yourself, take care of your health, everyone, and we will continue with question number 4 in our next lecture. Have a nice time, boys. Khuda Hafiz.